Alright, today is June 27th, Friday, and hey guys, I'm at 4th Street Cafe, Vietnamese and local food, right? Right here, right on 4th Street Mall. And then, yeah, looking at this, look, 4th Street Mall, yeah, some people, right? Okay, now slow, take a look, yeah. And then, I'm looking at their price. This caught my eyes right here. Oh yeah, my scooter. Got it tied up right here. And then, yeah, the breakfast special. Wow, look at that. 4th Street Cafe breakfast special, $6.25. You get 2 eggs and rice, right? So I'll take the rice. I know toast may be better, but I will take the rice with your choice of bacon, sausage, spam, or ham. So I'll take spam. I like spam. You know, I guess that's what locals are normally. So, right? And then, yeah, here's our 4th Street Cafe. All right, so it's a seating area, and we got. So I gotta make sure my money. Yeah, okay, got it. I think. Yep. So, oh, here's more menu, right? Oh, look at that. So, wow, they got quite a bit of menu up here. So with that, and then they got the $6.25 special right here. I'm definitely gonna try that. Yeah, and then oh, they have banh mi, right? So how much are banh mi? $10.99. Kind of thinking, should I have banh mi or should I have the breakfast special? Banh mi, great. Alright. Yeah, banh mi, $10.99. Okay, so all sandwiches come with mayonnaise, cucumber, parsley, pickle, daikon, carrots, jalapeno, and sandwich choices: garlic chicken, barbecue pork, barbecue chicken, lemongrass chicken, lemongrass tofu, tuna, the special, char siu pork, baked steamed pork. You know what? Alright, I'm gonna definitely go for banh mi. Yes, that's it. I still remember the last time. So, banh mi, $10.25. And I'm gonna go for char siu pork banh mi. Yes. Alright. So got the menu right here too. And alright, I'll continue on. But first let me get some shots over here. So seating areas. Alright. Yeah, they got seating areas. Look at that. Sorry. But I like outside better. Good air. So I'll place the order and I'll continue once it comes out. Oh, just to continue here, they got some pre-made, right here, and also right here. Oh, I'll go for banh mi, right? Char siu pork. Yes.
The special.
Huh?
The special.
Special.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Char siu pork.
Yeah, that's a special.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. All right. So yeah, they got some additional special. Like it's already all made right over here, Sam. Yeah. So, but they're making my banh mi with char siu pork, right? And right here they got. Okay, so I'll continue once it comes out. Oh yeah, I'm still waiting for my order, but just in case, if anybody comes, right here the schedule. July 4th through July 27th, they won't be here. They're taking a vacation. So, yep. Okay, just to let you guys know if you plan on coming by. I'm still waiting over here, but oh, here's another one. They got party tray available, catering for any occasion, and yeah, looks good. And I can tell you, while I'm waiting, the people here are so friendly, right? Yeah. Ooh. Makes you feel real good over here. Vietnamese tuna rolls, fresh, healthy, and good. And kind of looking around. Yeah. All right, so. Oh yeah, I'm just restarting right now, and I can tell you this place is really busy. So many people are coming in and out. They doing a lot of takeout orders here, right? And here's another person they just did. Wow, this place, right? Hard to tell from outside, but so popular, so busy. And you know what really caught my eyes was this, you know, this breakfast special, 6.25, right? I go, oh wow, another breakfast special, great deal. Then I came in and I saw that banh mi and I go, oh yeah, I gotta have that. Try it. Yeah, I was thinking kind of sandwich today, and then sandwich it is, banh mi sandwich. All right, so yeah, definitely this place. Yeah, the people are so friendly, helpful. Yeah, so nice people. All right, my banh mi came out. Okay, sandwich and then oh, what is this? Oh, hot peppers. Yes. How do they know that I like peppers? Ah, oh, got some flies here. Ah, no, didn't bring my fly fan. But this is wow. This really looks good. Okay, char siu pork. And this is they actually make the char siu here, the meat. Okay, and so it is wrap it. Oh, yeah, it's already cut. Yeah. Wow. Okay. What I want to do is take a look inside. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, char siu pork, yeah, slices of daikon and all those carrots and cucumber, lettuce, and oh, I think this paisley, but yeah. Okay, I'm not sure about the vegetables, but okay. Mm. This is it. This is definitely it. Mm-hmm. Yes, this is a sandwich, banh mi. Mm. Mm-hmm. I mean, it's just so good, and yeah, I can tell you, yeah, it tastes really healthy, fresh. Mm. I tell you, the vegetable part is really fresh, tasty. And I can taste the good meat. Hmm. And of course the meat, I mean the bun, it's been roasted good. Mm. Yeah, gotta have my water. Alright. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I mean, just yeah, before with the Walmart, Ross Dress for Less, and also Pacific University, you know, taking up a lot of spaces over here at the 4th Street Mall. Street. Just have a lot more people. But this place seems to be still doing good. They're so popular. You know, and this is off hours, and yeah, people are still coming in and out. Yeah, so they are fries. I didn't think about that. Yeah, I was only thinking fries that hot. That seems like today I'm fortunate again to be able to taste such great meal. You know, there are so many eateries here too in Chinatown.
I like it.
Mm, really good, thank you. You know, really, banh mi, wow. I mean, you can really taste each vegetables in there, so fresh. You know? That sounds good, yeah. This Fourth Street Mall is kind of like, yeah, very, not too many people. But, you know, people just coming to this restaurant in and out. So very well known around the area. And it does help that they're very friendly too. Alright. Well, wow. Yeah, with the vegetables, right? The season's so good that you have the great vegetable taste with the toasted bun, and then you got the meat flavor. Ah, that just melts in your mouth. Now, after having tasted this Vietnamese banh mi sandwiches, I'm all for it. Now my favorite sandwich is banh mi. It's pretty good. You know, if you're out here walking around Chinatown, that is a good place to stop by. Good, the hot peppers have a little kick into it. Like that, and I go, wow, extra flavor.
tofu sandwich.
Mm.
Are you Vietnamese?
Oh no, Korean. But it's got great taste of the vegetables, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Plenty of meat inside.
Oh yes, definitely. And you get the meat taste.
Oh,
So
yeah.
good.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, good.
Yeah,
Okay,
pork chop
thank you.
stew. Yeah. Now it's banh mi is my favorite sandwich now. Yeah, there's another customer. Yeah, I couldn't hold back. I had to eat the whole thing. Now they cut them into two pieces, but yeah. So this will be my main meal for the day. Mm. No, still, there are a lot of shops and there are clinics, right? Buildings.
Nice talking to you.
Oh yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you enjoy it?
Oh yes, it's very good. Especially the
Yeah.
vegetables, right? So tasty, and then you got the meat taste too.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too. Mm. Wow. Mm. Alright. And now just has been another fortunate that I get to taste such a great meal. Alright, thanks for watching.